Boom, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Deli Dust Los. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day, man. Got some exciting news for us today. It is slightly beautiful today. It's like 38 degrees outside. It's a little chilly, but you know, not too bad. But got some stuff in the back, as you can see there. We are headed over to my buddy Ty's house because we're gonna go meet up with Eddy. And if you guys know who Eddy is, or if you guys don't know who Eddy is, Eddy's my homie. He owns Black Quil Printing and Design. I believe it's what's called, Printing and Design. I could be wrong. I'll put the Instagram right here for you guys to check it out. But nonetheless, man, super excited. So the reason we're heading over to Ty's house, because like I said, it's a little windy. But Ty has a garage that will be able to, what's the word I'm looking for? Allow us to work in this weather. So he's got a heated garage and it's big enough for the Lexus. So because of that reason, we are headed over there now to work on some vinyl on the Lexus. So you guys seen the previous video, we've been doing a lot of, no, I wouldn't say a lot of vinyl work, that's probably not the right word, but we did the vinyl on the rocker panels. And so now I've always wanted to wrap the Lexus. Granted, we're not actually wrapping it this time, but I've always wanted to put some designs on it. So what I did is I hit up Eddy. I said, yo, Eddy, we don't have the 4Runner anymore. We got the Lexus now. I want you to use your creative mind and put something together. And man, did he not put something together. So I'm super excited to show you guys. We're gonna be wrapping the trunk, the hood, I guess not the trunk, the tailgate, whatever you want to call it, tailgate, the rear gate, whatever, and the roof. So hood, roof, and tailgate, so whatever you want to call it. So that's what we got going on today, man. So hang tight, and let's hop on the highway. Let's hit up Ty real quick, and I'll see you guys in a little bit, son. 3, 2, 1, let's start today's episode. So we're officially in the garage. We got it set up, and as you guys can see, Eddy's already started to wipe it down. So I think he's gonna go ahead and start preparing his stuff, and then I think we're gonna start doing the hood first, is what we're gonna start with, and then from there I think we're gonna do what, the roof or the back? Eddy, what do you think?
I think we'll knock out the back.
Knock out the back. Leave the roof for last. Hey man, that's gonna be a tough one, man. I tell you, when I did the 4Runner and I did that like in 90-degree weather outside, that was probably the worst idea of the week I had that week. But nonetheless, I'm super excited for this. Like I said, Eddy's gonna take care of it, man. So I'm super excited to see what this looks like, and I hope you guys are excited too. But stick around and let's let the man do his magic. emblem, and then remove the tail light, the tag. Just kind of clean it up for him and kind of make it a little bit easier back here for him. And then we'll check out the front real quick. But it's coming along real good, man. It's looking great, honestly. I'm super excited to see how this full thing turns out, man. So stick around. Guys, as you guys can see, Eddie got the hood done. So now we're moving on to the tailgate, the rear door, the rear gate, whatever you want to call it. Moving on to that, and then after that we'll hit the roof. But man, this thing is looking sweet. Can't wait to get it outside in the sun to make it even look better. Boys and girls, this thing is bussin', is how the kids say it these days. So super excited about it, man. Look at this thing. So as Eddie's finishing what is the back, or as he's working on it, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna hop up here real quick, and we're going to remove the rails for the cargo. Take these little trim removal tools, pop these little bad boys off, and then remove what is both rails, and then kind of clean up the top so that give Eddie a hand here while he's working on the back. We're gonna work. I decided to take it upon myself to try to apply the leftover wrap from the rocker panels as a chrome delete on the Lexus window sills. There you go. Boom. So that's actually kind of hard. You know, I'm hoping that the last one was probably my best window, but man, this attention to detail is so difficult, man, because I do not want to cut the seal on the window and whatnot. But man, look at this. Can't even tell it was chrome there, at least from this far away. But let's see if we can get an update real quick on the tailgate, and we're gonna hop over to the other side of the car and do the chrome delete on that side. Alright guys, so Eddie's officially finished the the back, we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, do a final little wipe down and prep for the roof. And then we're gonna go ahead and get it wrapped. So, hang tight, check out the back real quick. As you guys can see, we're almost finished up with the roof wrap. So, word of advice is don't buy cheap wrap. The wrap that Eddy used for the hood and the rear tailgate is all 3M. The wrap that I bought to use for the roof is definitely not 3M, and it has been quite a pain, but nonetheless, we're getting to it. But word of advice, don't buy cheap wrap. You're gonna hate it. But it does look pretty sweet though. Too bad it's going to be covered up with the Princeton roof rack, but hey, at least it'll be protected underneath. Somewhat protected, but let's finish this up. I think Eddy said the driver's side is officially done, so we're going to go ahead and mount the roof rail back on there for now, with the rain guards and everything put in, and then go over to the passenger side. Been a long ass day. It's been a long day. Got the roof, got the hood done, got the roof done, and got the tailgate done. Look at this. Oh, it might not be greatest. There we go. Boom. Now to wrap the rest of the car. We'll leave that for another episode, but nonetheless, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Y'all know what to do. Hit the like button if y'all liked today's video. Put a comment in the comment form and tell me what you guys think about the little wrap. And tell me what you guys think. But nonetheless, I'm out. Got to get home. Much love to Ty for letting me be in here. Eddy for coming through and helping out. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!